My ever-loving students, this is Ezra, your accountancy teacher. May God bless us all with all His blessings. Today, let us go to the next sum, problem number 16, given in the page number 35. Shall we go? From the following details, you are required to calculate credit sales and credit purchases by preparing total debtors account, total creditors account, bills receivable account, and bills payable account. Balances as on 1st April 2018, balances as on 31st March 2019. Sundry debtors 2,40,000, bills receivable 30,000, sundry creditors 1,20,000, bills payable 10,000. Sundry debtors 2,20,000, sundry creditors 1,50,000, bills receivable 8,000, bills payable 20,000. Other information: cash received from debtors 6 lakhs, discount allowed to customers 25,000, cash paid to creditors 3,20,000, discount allowed by suppliers 10,000, payments against bills payable 30,000, cash received for bills receivables 60,000, bills receivable dishonored 4,000, bad debts 16,000. My dear students, in this sum they have given you the accounts required to prepare bills receivable account and total debtors account. These two accounts are prepared to find out credit sales, and then bills payable account and total creditors account should be prepared to find out credit purchases. They have given to prepare all the accounts. First, let us prepare bills receivable account and find the bills receivables we received. Shall we prepare? I have written the format of bills receivable account, and from the problem let us take balances, opening balances, bills receivable 30,000. Here is bills receivable 30,000. And the next one, bills payable, sundry debtors, sundry creditors, bills receivable, closing balance is 8,000. This will be 8,000. And other information: cash received from debtors, that will be taken to total debtors account. Discount allowed to customers, that will also be taken to total debtors account. Cash paid to creditors, that will be taken to total creditors account. Discount allowed by suppliers, that will be taken to total creditors account. And payments against bills payable, that will be taken to bills payable account. Cash received for bills receivable 60,000, and this is cash received for bills receivable, that comes to 60,000. And bills receivable dishonored, and here is bills receivable dishonored, that comes to 4,000. Now when you balance these two, you will get the bills receivable received. Shall be 60, 64, 72. From this 72,000, subtract 30,000, you will get 42,000, and this 42,000 will be taken to total debtors account. Remember, this 42,000 will be taken to total debtors account. Let us prepare total debtors account and find out the credit sales. Shall we? Now, I have written the total debtors account. I have written the format of the total debtors account. Now, let us bring the amount from the problem to this account. Immediately write this 42,000 to the bills received account, and that will be 42,000. Then let us go to the sum. Sundry debtors, opening debtors 2,40,000. Here is opening debtors 2,40,000. And closing debtors 2,20,000. 2,20,000. And sundry creditors, bills receivable, bills payable, sundry creditors, bills receivable, bills payable. Cash received from debtors 6 lakhs. Cash received from debtors 6 lakhs. And discount allowed to customers 25,000. Discount allowed 25,000. And cash paid to creditors, discount allowed by suppliers, leave that. That will come in the total creditors account, payments against bills payable, that will not come here. Cash received for bills receivable, that will not come here. Bills receivable dishonored 4,000, that will come in here. 4,000 and bad debt 16,000. Now, go for finding the balance between these two. First, let us find the total of these one. And that will come to 9,03,000. From this 9,03,000, subtract 2,44,000. 2,44,000. So that comes to, credit sales comes to 6,59,000. And this is, you have to show it separately, credit sales is equal to 6,59,000. And we have found out the credit sales. Shall we prepare bills payable account and find out the bills payable accepted? I have written the format of bills payable account. From the sum, let us take that. Bills receivable, bills Sunday creditors, bills payable opening balance comes to 10,000. Bills payable opening balance 10,000. And bills payable closing balance 20,000. This is 20,000. And payments against bills payable 30,000. This is paid for BP is 30,000. And cash received for bills receivable, bill receivable dishonor, bad debts, that will not come here. So only bills payable dishonored, no. Now balance these two and find out the bills payable accepted. This comes to 50,000. From this 50,000, subtract this 10,000, you will get 40,000, and that is the bill accepted. Remember, this 40,000 will be taken to total creditors account. We have prepared bills payable account and found the amount there, and that comes to 40,000, and that 40,000 will be taken to total creditors account to find out the credit purchases. Shall we prepare total creditors account? Prepare total creditors account and then find out the credit purchases. I have written the format of total creditors account. I have already told you, immediately bring the amount calculated from the bills payable account. Bills payable accepted is 40,000. Immediately write that 40,000. Otherwise, you will forget that. Now, let us go to the sum. Balances. Bills receivable, sundry creditors. Yeah, that opening balance comes to 1,20,000. And bills payable, leave that. And sundry debtors, leave that. Sundry creditors closing balance 1,50,000. 1,50,000. And other information, cash received from debtors, discount allowed to customers, and cash paid to creditors 3,20,000. This is cash paid to creditors, that comes to 3,20,000. And discount allowed by suppliers, that is a discount received, that comes to 10,000. And then payments against bills payable, cash received for bills receivables, bills receivable dishonor, bad debts, that will not come here. And discount and 10,000, purchase is return. Purchase return is not given. Yeah. Now let us go for balancing these two. $320, $330, $370, $420, $520. And here 520. The balance is bills dishonored is not given, so 4 lakh. And this is credit purchases. Credit purchases comes to 4 lakh. Make a box and sew it separately. And my dear students, in this sum they have given you, they have asked you to prepare bills receivable account, total debtors account, bills payable account, total creditors account, and to find out credit sales and credit purchases. We have prepared all the accounts and we have found out credit sales and credit purchases. That's all. Hope you have understood. By God's grace, let us meet in the next class. Thank you.